Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. The opposition PNP is still insisting that it will not sign off on the report of the Constitutional Reform Committee unless significant changes are made to some recommendations. The party claims the government is using the reform process to delay the holding of elections. PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell reaffirmed the party's position while addressing supporters last night at a divisional meeting at Goshen Primary in St. Elizabeth. Sandy Williams reports.
They have as a recommendation that through a simple majority, they can put off the election for 6 months.
General Secretary of the People's National Party, Dr. Dayton Campbell, highlighting one of the recommendations from the Constitutional Reform Committee. He says the government could use the recommendation as an excuse to delay the general election constitutionally due in September next year.
The next year, September, come, they realize that they are going to get up. What you say, Fisher? Stop signing. Then decide that they are put it off for 6 months. They will tell you that them say only under certain circumstances. But remember what they said to you, I do not trust Marlene Malawuford nor Andrew Holness with my people in the future.
Therefore, a political tug-of-war continues over the reform process. Dr. Campbell insists the party will not sign off on its report unless significant changes are made to some of the recommendations of the 15-member body.
Any postponement of an election must require that you get at least 2/3 of both houses of parliament to vote in order for it to take place. Which means that at least one of our senators there, even if you win the 49 seat like when they win now, you might pass in the lower house, but when you reach the upper house, you cannot pass without the opposition having a say in that matter. It must be a true natural disaster in order for it to be put off.
The report of the committee was submitted to Parliament last week, but the parliamentary opposition says there is no consensus on many of the recommendations. In the coming weeks, the Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Affairs will launch a public education campaign to inform Jamaicans about the committee's recommendations. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.